Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to get free stuff on Temu. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Getting free stuff on Temu can be quite exciting. Here are some methods you can try. First of all, sign up as a new user. When you sign up for the first time on Temu, you can earn a free gift automatically. Play in-app games. Temu offers minigames like Fishland, Farmland, and Hat-Trick that allow you to win free items. Daily Gift Box. Open the Daily Gift Box in the app to get free credits that can be exchanged for items. Participate in giveaways. Temu frequently runs giveaways where you can win free items. Check free items and giveaways page. Visit the free items and giveaways page on Temu for items that don't require friend referrals. Seasonal coupons. Look out for seasonal coupons and promotions that can get you free items. Become a Temu affiliate. By becoming a Temu affiliate and promoting the app on social media, you can earn credits that can be used towards free items. At last, use referral codes. Use referral codes shared by other users to get discounts and free items. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.